students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7, comparing quantities, exercise 7.1, question number 5. The question is, if Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? Okay, so actually some amount she is earning regularly, right? So that she will have the total money in the beginning. Okay, I don't know what it is. Let me have it as X. Okay, so spent money, percentage of spent money is equal to 75% she is spending, right? And then, so what is the remaining amount? Remaining amount percentage, it is going to be a 25%. So generally the total money percentage, it is always, it is going to be 100%. Okay, so percentage of money spent, right? Percentage of money spent plus percentage of money left, right? That is your remaining money. Percentage of money left, it is equal to total percentage of total money, right? So percentage of total amount spent is nothing but they have given already, it is 75%. Okay, so I don't know what is the money left percentage, right? So percentage of money left I don't know, so let me keep as it is. Percentage of total money, it is going to be always 100%. So percentage of money left is nothing but 100 minus 75%, right, which is nothing but 25%, okay, which is equal to 25%. So leftover money is going to be a 25% of money. Okay, so out of 25% of money they have given that what is it is equivalent, right? So 25% of money, 25% of total money only they are spending, right? 25% of total money they are spending, which is equal to rupees 600. Okay, so from this I can write it as, how I can write 25%? 25 by 100. What is the total money? I don't know. Okay, that I'm going to find out. Okay, so let me take it as X. So it is going to be 600, equal to 600. So once you have determined this equation, just take the reciprocal. So 600 into 100, okay, divided by 25. So 5 tables apply that, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, here you have 0, again 5 tables you can apply, 5 4s are 20. So 6 4s are 24 and you have 00 as it is. Okay, so the total money, right, how much did she have in the beginning? Okay, at the beginning, total money had at the beginning, it is 2400 rupees, right? So 2400 rupees. Thank you. Thanks for watching.